imagine this: a potential customer finds your website from search results, which is great, but they land on an error page like this. What most people will do in this situation is just leave that website, which means you just lost a potential lead or sale for your business. But what if there was a way to turn this error page to your advantage? Don't worry, I got you. Today, I'll be showing you how to put your own message, customize these error pages, and save that sale using WordPress, Divi Theme, and AI. No coding or design skills needed. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Let's dive in. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to storyset.com to find an illustration. This will be 404. We're just gonna search 404. We want the graphic we want to pick up to be aligned with our brand colors. You just go to change color on the left hand side, change color, and you paste the primary color of your brand. The website is storyset.com. Okay, now we're browsing through the illustrations and I like this one. We're going to download this one. You just click download as PNG. Quickly, we're going to go to compress png.com. This is where we'll compress and decrease the size of that file so that it doesn't make our website load slower. Okay, as you can see here, we've decreased it by 77%, but trust me, it still looks great. Okay, download the compressed PNG, and then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Gemini, which is a Google AI. Okay, so here we have a prompt. Okay, what I said is write me a 404 page for a digital marketing agency. As you can see here, we have option 1, which is looks like this page, all that good stuff. Okay, just type in write me a 404 page for a digital marketing or for your type of business. You will get multiple options to choose from, and then you can customize if there is a need. Now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna go straight to our website and go to our dashboard, create a new page. Go to pages. To create a new page, you will simply go to dashboard, go to pages, add a new page, okay, and then create a new page. This is not the case because we want this page to only show up and be triggered when there's an error page. For example, you deleted or changed links to a page. Now, when people click that link, it takes them to the error 404 page. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Divi, Divi Builder, okay, and then we're gonna go to add a new template to the Divi Builder, build new template, and on this template we're gonna look for 404 page. Okay, this is 404 page. Okay, 404 page. Awesome. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a custom body. 404 page, add a custom body, build custom body. I'm just gonna go with option 1, which is looks like this page went off. All that stuff, but you can also use ChatGPT. The free ChatGPT version will be perfect for the job. This is just to speed things up so that we don't have to think. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, there's already a section loaded. We're going to add a row. Okay, and this row we're going to make it 2-column row. Okay, awesome. And on the right side, I am going to add image module. Okay, to add image module, you just simply add using the gray icon, which is add new module, add a new module, and say image. Awesome. And the next thing we are going to do, we're going to upload that image, the illustration. Remember, our 404 error from storyset.com. Load it, boom. Now we have a 404 error. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some content to the right side. This is where we're going to add the message so that when people land on this page, they don't really get turned off. Yeah, it's a disappointing message, but at the very same time, they can see that we're still in charge. You know, we have a message for you. If you experience this error, we can help you navigate to the website, okay, instead of just leaving. Okay, great. We have a nice looking image for error, page not found. And this is where we're going to add a custom message to make sure that we don't lose those people. Okay, so we're going to add a headline. We're going to say text, add a text module, and this text module we're going to add the heading, and we're going to make it let's make it H2, and quickly go to design and style it. Go to H2, let's make it ultra bold, and let's increase the size. Okay, I want to make it center aligned like this. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Let's try to make it this color. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. Okay, let's make it yellow so the text pops, and change the color of the section as a whole and make it a dark color like this. Oops, looks like this page went off on a marketing tangent, something like that. Okay, and then continue using the same text module and go down, and we enter some subtext here. Don't worry, we're expert at finding this, you know, even lost web pages. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna say subheading. Don't worry, we're expert at finding things, and we add the let's get you back on track. This is where we're gonna suggest other links using buttons they can click. Okay, finding things. And let's go ahead real quick and customize that. The paragraph, we're gonna go to text and make it white and increase the size. Okay, let's make it 28. Let's center align it, the text. Okay, oops, looks like this page went off on a marketing tangent. Don't worry, we're expected finding things. Let's get you back on track. Okay, and let's increase the line height on this, and let's make it 1.6, 1.3. Okay, great, looking good. So what we're gonna do now, I want to add some top margin here. We can simply go to the text module and add top margin, or just use the drag and drop builder to add the space in between, because I want this to be here. That's 138 pixel top margin. Okay, now it's more aligned with this icon. Okay, and the next we're gonna do, we're going to add two buttons here. Okay, I'm gonna add a module, say button. Okay, but we already have a button that's in line with the website design. We're going to use this CTA button right here. We just add the CTA button, use this module, and it says start web project. We're just going to disable global setting on this so that it doesn't affect other buttons. And we're going to say, let's just add one button and just say return home. Okay, we're going to say return home, and we just input our main domain here. So it's admin.local in this case. Design real quick. Button alignment, we're going to make it center aligned. Now we have this button to return home, and then underneath this button we're going to add a text module. Okay, and we're going to say text, and we will say explore our services. Okay, explore our services underneath. This is where we can also link them directly to specific. For example, if they were looking for SEO page, and then there will be an SEO text and link underneath this. Okay, so we'll say explore our services, make it H3, go to design, H3 text, let's make it yellow, and we're going to make it lightweight, and let's decrease the size, let's make it 18. Let's center align it, and then underneath here we want to add our services. Okay, I'm going to go to content again using the same text module, and we're going to say website design, SEO, paid advertising. Okay, advertising, paid advertising. Okay, we're just going to list these three services. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the web design, click link, type in the web address for the web design page. Okay, highlight the next one, SEO only, click on link, input the link that goes to the SEO page. And what I'm going to do now, we're going to leave it as text and go to design, go to text, and make this white. And let's increase the size a little bit. Let's make it 18. Let's center align it. Okay, let's center align it. Okay, remember last time we clicked the wrong page. This is what we saw, no results page, right? Okay, don't worry. Now we got this. Continue and save. Let's go back here and customize that H2. Okay, just add some line height for some spacing. Okay, 1.3, looking good. Let's go ahead and save. Okay, oops, looks like this page went off on a marketing tangent. Don't worry, we're experts at finding things. Let's get you back on track. They see a return home. Underneath, there's a nice small explore our services, linking them to website design, SEO, paid advertising. Okay, this way we show them we are still here, we are in control. This is not an error. This website is still working, just that this page is not working, or maybe we change the link, you know. So now let's click exit. Let's hit save. Don't forget to hit save here, otherwise you'll lose everything. Hit save. All changes saved. Okay, so the next time we hit a page that doesn't exist, this is what you're gonna see now. All right, oops, looks like this page went off on a marketing tangent. Don't worry, we're experts at finding things. Let's get you back on track. Return home. Return home. When you click return home, it takes them back home. They see the whole website, because sometimes Google will suggest old links that you already removed on your website because of indexing. Indexing new pages takes time, okay? But 404 pages are very useful and can prevent you from losing a lot of business. My name is Sabelo September. Here we talk about WordPress and no-code website design. If you're looking to improve your WordPress design skills from using templates or building from scratch using no-code tools, this is the channel for you.